Hey guys, it's Diamond. And we can see here is a finished product here, and because this order is making in the Nicki edition, but in the before in the Nicki edition and the front pocket, that is the mountain pocket. But this time the customer girl, she want to change it to be the puzzle in the front pocket. And also there is a note to me, she want to make the leather as thinner as possible. So I will show you here, and this is the original piece of the metal leathers here. And we can see it's just very soft and very pebble, and the textures are very beautiful. But it's a thick leather, so we can see it's very thick leather. It's about, I think it's about, let me measure it. Okay, here is the elastic rulers here, and okay, now it's zero, and let's measure it. Oh yes, it's about 3 millimeters. Yes, about 3 millimeters. I will show you. Yes, 3 and 10, 3 or 9 millimeters thick. And I just try my best to make it thinner, because you guys know there are so many leathers in my shop, and I like the leathers are very thick to my shop. So most of my leathers are the thick leather, but because some of you like the thin leathers, and so I have added some new leathers in my shop, and they are the thin leather, just like the sold out leather, the pink lady, and the white pepper, and camel, and a very popular jelly, just very quickly to sell out. Yes, and so some of you will think about, is there has any possible to make the leathers to be thinner and also to be the cover? Yes, no problem. So we can see here, this is the Nicki editions here. So you can see it become very thinner. So even the elastic just tight on, and it has just cannot stand very strong. But we can see here it's just become very thinner. Okay, let's to measure it to you guys again. So, okay, after I cut it and I made the thickness, it was 3 point, and now it just become 1.68 thickness to the covers here. So I make this video just want to tell you guys, okay, if you guys like the leathers in my shop, and no matter how thickness it in the original thickness, and you can just tell me you want it to be thinner, and I can still make it thinner. Just like the mattress here, it was in the original thickness is more than 3 millimeter, but I still can cut it I still can cut it just like cut it and half thickness. So we can see it was the original in the 3 millimeters, and now it turns on just only 1.6 or 1.5 millimeters in the thickness. Yeah, so there is nothing impossible in my shop. Yes, so if you guys like the leathers I have in my shop, and but you just like the thin leathers, okay, you can just leave note to me you want it be thinner. So there are so many options in my shop, and you can just go ahead to to choose the layers you like, and go ahead to tell me the thickness you want. You want it be thinner, or you like the thick layer just like it in the original thickness, and there is all no problems to me. Okay, so just make this video to tell you guys so we can see now the Nicki edition, because it makes to combine with a love piece by piece the layers, and now I can just make it thinner and the thickness just well done. Okay, so this is the Nicki edition and the layer thickness. Today I want to tell you guys and share with you guys. Okay, wish you guys will love the video today, and see you soon. Bye bye.